Many people think that deli roast beef is complicated and expensive. Well, we're going to show you how ordinary people can make it at home, cheaper, easier, and healthier. You can see that we are using a roast. This happens to be a shoulder roast that we are using right here, and he is using the mustard as a binder for the all-purpose seasonings that he's going to put on here. And he coats the entire roast in that, and so you've got good seasoning all the way around it. You can find these roasts or chuck roast or anything, buy in bulk or find it on sale, and then you can just make up your own deli-style sliced roast beef.
Do this and you'll never buy deli meat again.
So let's touch base on the fact that not only is deli meat expensive, it is really not that healthy. It is highly processed, it is high in sodium and preservatives. There are possible links to heart disease and cancer from those preservatives. So on that, we do want to note that this is just all-purpose seasoning. And you can put whatever you like, whether it's salt and pepper, garlic, or just an all-purpose seasoning blend. So it's healthy in that respect also. So the cooking method that keeps this roast so tender and sliceable is low and slow, whether it's in the oven or on a smoker. Just cook it low and slow, and you will get the most delicious sliceable roast beef.
I cooked this roast to 165. The bark didn't get really set on it, but it is not going to affect the flavor or texture of the lunch meat that we're going to slice up tomorrow. So right now, let it cool down, seal it up, put it in the fridge. Tomorrow we'll slice it up into lunch meat and it will be fabulous.
For those of you who are new here, these are the steers that we've been raising for a few years, and this is what is now in our freezer. So this is where our roast has come from. Now we did get a slicer that we got back some time ago, specifically for this process of making lunch meat. And so this does make it very handy to make your own lunch meats, but you don't have to have it. We have used, before we got this, you just use a sharp knife and you just cut it as thin or as thick as you want. Normally, lunch meat is shaved pretty thin, so you would just cut it real thin. So you do not have to have special fancy equipment. We do have this because we have made our own lunch meat that Monty decided to get a good slicer for this process. So by letting this set overnight, of course it has cooled down. It will make shaving it, whether by knife or by machine, so much easier. But this also becomes meal prep, and this is where it saves you money also, is that you are doing up an entire roast. And so what we normally do is we keep some out, we put it in a baggie and put it in the fridge, and that's what we're going to eat on and make our sandwiches and stuff. and then we go ahead and bag up the rest of it into multiple bags, however much we have, and then we freeze it. And so that way, when we are done with the bag that we're working on for that week or whatever, we can go and get another bag out of the freezer. So this becomes such a great time-saving, money-saving meal prep that feeds you for weeks or months, depending on how much, because you can also go in and do this with chicken or turkey breast, or just fill your freezer with some pre-made meals for lunches, or this shaved meat. We've even used this on like salads, that and like tortillas or anything like that, nachos. It's just so good. If you are just starting out cooking recently, or you just never thought about making your own meals or your lunch meats until now, if you're interested in making good, healthy meals, and definitely try this one out. You will love it.
Tasty.
This is our lunch meat that we just got done, and we went ahead and bagged it up into separate bags so we could put it in the freezer. We did leave one bag out so we could make sandwiches and eat on it. But these are going in the freezer. We just vacuum sealed it, and you don't have to do that, but you can just bag it up and throw it in the freezer. Now Monty is going to make him a simple sandwich just to try it out. We happen to do a low-carb eating style, so we do have the keto bread and the avocado mayo, and then we both love that Havarti cheese. So this is just a simple sandwich, and I believe he's got some pickled onions that he's going to throw on here real quick that he just recently made. I think those are a few peppercorns in there with it. So he just loves those. Let us know if you liked seeing how we make our sliced roast beef, and then comment and let us know if you've made your own lunch meats before and what your thoughts were. How did you do it?
Perfectly tender. Very tasty.
And if you want to follow us, we can show you how we made another budget-friendly, healthy meal, and that would be our carne asada tacos. They are so good. Follow us over there.